Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I want to show you something extremely crazy. I just found out, like yesterday. My friend has the phone number. It's weird, but alright. This is alright. Boom. It's a real thing. Freddy Fazbears. There we go. Look how crazy that is. The crazy thing is, earlier it said it was permanently closed. But, another thing, you know how FNAF takes place in Hurricane? That car's famous. No, I'm kidding. You know how FNAF takes place in Hurricane? Yep. That's so crazy. Yo, is that a mall? Wait, isn't that so crazy, guys? Hold on. This is the closest. Wait, what's that minus sign? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.